So this test can be used for the determination of free, total and combined acidity in gastric juice. So for this we need phenolphthalein reagent, 0.1 normal sodium hydroxide solution, sample solution and Topfer reagent. In the first step, we will take 5 ml of sample solution and will put it in Erlenmeyer flask. Then we will take 1 drop of Topfer reagent Then we will take 1 to 2 drops of phenolphthalein Then we will put it under the Burette tube. Now we will put 0.1 normal sodium hydroxide in the Burette tube up to the mark of 0. We will start the process of titration and will look for the change in color in the Erlenmeyer flask. Now, with the help of titration process, the color changed into yellowish orange. Now note the first reading of the Burette tube. Now, titrate further till the color changes to pink color. And note the final reading of the Burette tube. Now, calculate the free, total and combined acidity in the gastric juice through mathematical calculation.